All right, look at that little boat ramp here at the Willamette. It's down in between Eugene and Junction City, off the Willamette, and it's called Stop the Invaders. No, Willamette River. We'll go with Willamette River Water Trail. Wow. So I guess they have a problem with invasive species here, so they don't want you coming in here unless your boat's had all this stuff done to make sure you got no critters on your boat. Trippy. Oh, look, we got another picnic table over here. Right on, and then we got a guy over there working hard. And over here, we're having a little picnic down by the river. There's my wife and my dad-in-law right over there. Down by the river. I'm getting photobombed by a tractor. What are you guys doing? You behaving yourselves? I haven't been gone very long.
Drinking.
Okay. Just checking. What do you think of the river?
It's beautiful.
Isn't that pretty? I wish I knew how fast water goes, but if you look at it, and it's hard to say, but I would say this is a very, well, I don't know, very fast, but I would say it's a pretty fast moving river. What do you guys say? So like 5 miles, 10 miles an hour? I'm guessing at least 5. That's pretty fast. That's probably faster than I can walk because I'm pretty lazy. But anyway, isn't that pretty? Nice living by a nice river. As long as it doesn't flood, we're good. All right? What are you guys doing over here? I got an eye on you. All right, behave yourselves. Hey, whose cop car is that up there?